In response to escalating tensions and the recent act of arson, the Senapati District Students Association SDSA has issued stringent orders to protect the interests of its community and maintain peace along National Highway to Imphal-Dimapur Road. In a statement, the SDSA said that the following an appeal made on June 3, 2024 for all parties to refrain from disrupting vehicular movement and to maintain the highway as a harassment-free zone. Slamming the Committee on Tribal Unity (COTU) for this regarding their appeal, the student body has issued directives despite efforts to remain neutral and hospitable. The SDSA condemns this act as a direct challenge to their authority and a serious threat to community safety. They demand that the perpetrators be identified and punished according to the law. In line with a resolution from the Second Federal Assembly held on June 1, 2024 at Tairamphung, Tumnopopi, the SDSA has issued the directive which includes the SDSA will not be responsible for any consequences faced by the Kuki-Jo community living within Senapati. The COTU and its subordinates will bear full responsibility for any adverse outcomes. Effective immediately, no goods or commodities will be supplied to the Kuki-Jo areas from Senapati or any sources within the SDSA's jurisdiction. The embargo is a response to the aggression faced and aims to protect the community's interests. All individuals, businesses, and firms within Senapati are prohibited from engaging in any commercial transactions or trade with the Kuki-Jo community. This ban covers all economic interactions. The SDSA warns that any violence of these orders will result in the violators bearing full responsibility for any harm or misfortune that occurs. The SDSA will not be held accountable for the repercussions of non-compliance, it added.